Hi everyone, welcome to this video. As you can see, I'm right outside the IIIT Hyderabad campus. This is located in Gachibowli in Hyderabad, and there are a lot of tech parks around me. All of the top companies of the world: Google, Amazon, Goldman Sachs, or JP Morgan. Everything is there. And yeah, in this video, let's tour this campus. It's a very short and sweet campus. एक एक करके देखते हैं how it's going to be. I hope you enjoy this video. मैंने परमिशन लिया है. So मेरे पीछे what you can see is the main gate of IIIT Hyderabad. यहाँ से let's start walking towards the campus and I will show you all the different parts, all the different things you can do, the hostel, mess, the cat block as I walk in the campus. एक चक्कर लगाएंगे, let's visit the entire campus एक एक करके. Gate से when we start walking सबसे पहले तो we see this direction board over here. So let's keep going, है ना. यहाँ पे if you go straight you reach the main admin block and इस तरफ if you go you reach the hostel area. So let's start with the straight admin block. On this side ऐसा कुछ है नहीं particularly. It is just greenery and grass and lot of trees and काफ़ी सारे parking spaces यहाँ पे. So many people, many professors, many visitors park their cars over here. So now on your right, as you can see, there is this big banyan tree over there. This tree is called Jagruti. Yes, you guessed it right. This is the same tree which is there in the logo of IIIT Hyderabad. Actually, this tree was earlier at the main road, at the as you can see over here, it was transplanted from the main road opposite IIIT Hyderabad. So that is the logo वहाँ पे, and this is the same tree that is there in the logo. Very symbolic. इस ट्री के पीछे if you keep walking over here then you will also find a small stage that is over there. यहाँ पे I think यहाँ पे there are some basic events happening but अभी के लिए there is nothing. Let's go back on the road. Now we have reached another junction. This is the directions. If you go straight on this side then you will reach the faculty quarters. उस side पे students को जाना allowed नहीं है. On this side, as you can see, this is like the main admin area, admin and academics area. So एक एक करके यहाँ के भी buildings को let's explore. This is the same building that was there at the entrance. So as you can see, this building is called Vindhya, Vindhya A2. It has 6 gates, C1, C3 and C5. On the other side, there is A2, A4 and A6. So यहाँ पे there are a lot of labs and a lot of electronics classes. So on this side you can see the Himalaya admin block and इस building में all of the things that are related to admissions, fees, attendance वो सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. So basically anything that is related to student problems and the institute वो यहाँ पे होता है. This is not particularly academics but mostly related to operations. इस वाली building में there are a lot of classes. Like there are seminar halls जिनको SH बोलते हैं. Then उसके अलावा there are labs. A lot of professors have their labs and उनका offices भी होते हैं वहाँ पे. So उनके offices भी होते हैं वहाँ पे. So this is the Vindhya. On the other side over here, as you can see, this is the Himalaya building. Himalaya building के नीचे you can see that it is Kohli research block. इस building में there are a lot of computer science and linguistic labs. काफ़ी सारे चीज़ें यहाँ पे होती हैं. एक बार मैं आपको अंदर जाके भी थोड़ा सा दिखा देता हूँ. काफ़ी सुंदर बिल्डिंग है ये एंड एज यू कैन सी ऑन टॉप इट हैज़ 3 floors. This is a little bit of the view of the Kohli research block or KRB. This is the main admin building and मोस्टली सारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे पढ़ाई करने आते हैं. I cannot show you a lot about what's happening inside over there because there are so many research labs and so many professors working. I don't want to disturb them, nor do I want to show the things that they are working on because it's very classified. This was the Kohli research block behind me. Now let's move forward. So this entire building actually is the KRB Himalaya building. वहाँ पे was the admin block. Now let's move forward. Over here, as you can see, there's a sky bridge that connects Himalaya and Vindhya. So लेफ्ट साइड पे द हिमालय बिल्डिंग है एंड उसमें एज यू कैन सी वहाँ पे क्लासरूम ब्लॉक लिखा हुआ है. तो द बिल्डिंग्स यू कैन सी ओवर देयर, वहाँ पे बच्चों के ट्यूटोरियल्स होते हैं, एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन. एज यू कैन सी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ओवर देयर, है ना, इनसाइड द बिल्डिंग. आई होप यू कैन सी दैट. So this is the building where a lot of academics related stuff happens. Vindhya is a very big block. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. 0.5x पे भी करने के बाद you cannot see the entire building एक frame में. So it's a very big building. So after that there is this beautifully painted building, है ना, and यहाँ पे सामने लिखा भी हुआ है कि this artwork is standing for Ankurana. And it's a very beautiful artwork. Let me show all of it to you in one frame. So in this building there are the bigger lecture halls, bigger seminar halls. So if there are more than 200 or more than 250 students, तो यहाँ पे lectures होते हैं, so that everything is convenient. यहाँ से if we move आगे तो you can see another building right next to it. This is the tea hub and यहाँ पे भी students को जाना allowed नहीं है. This is actually a research oriented building. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी CS and electronics related research होती है. You can Google it up. It's called Tea Hub. Opposite Tea Hub, on the other side, you can see the Vindhya canteen. तो यहाँ पे a lot of students come to just eat. There are multiple food spots as you can see. Next to the Vindhya canteen, there is also a sitting area यहाँ पे. That is the side entrance to Vindhya. So this was majorly the academics related area. अब इसके आगे beyond this barrier is the place where students can stay, they can eat, they can play. So all of these things are happening in this other side of the campus. यहाँ पे एक construction भी चल रहा है of the new academic block, as you can see वहाँ पे. So they expect that this will be ready in the coming few months. On the right side over here you can see the ground. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे sports खेले जाते हैं. There is football, frisbee, there is volleyball and a lot of other sports as well. When you're studying at IIIT Hyderabad in the initial semesters, you have to do sports as a part of your curriculum. You get grades for doing that. So it ensures that कि तुम्हारी mental and physical well-being is balanced. This is a better view of the ground now, as you can see. So यहाँ पे the wall is not there, so it's a better view. There are many goal posts and अभी थोड़ी cleaning भी चल रही है शायद. So this is the ground where people mostly play sports, but बाकी भी grounds हैं एक दो which I will show you now later in this video. So keep watching. If you keep walking over here, right in front of you, you can see the dining hall. This dining hall has two different messes. एक तो there is Yuktahar mess. I think you can see the board over there, and there is Kadam mess. So दोनों different messes में different type के खाने मिलते हैं आपको, different cuisines मिलते हैं. So that's why there are two different messes on each floor of this building. This entire block है ना over here is split in multiple different hostels. तो एक एक करके देखते हैं कि क्या क्या है यहाँ पे. I'll just go आगे and I'll come back, ठीक है, ताकि मैं एक साथ सब कुछ दिखा सकूँ. Starting from the very left part of the block, there is the Kadam Niwas, and यहाँ पे mostly जो students हैं ना, they are the PG students, PG post graduation जो पढ़ रहे हैं IIIT हैदराबाद से. उसके बाद right after the Kadam Niwas, there is the dining hall that we saw. डाइनिंग हॉल में एज आई मैंशन देर इज़ द कदम मेस एंड देर इज़ युक्तहार मेस. दोनों में आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कुजीन मिलते हैं. यू कैन बुक द मेस दैट यू वांट टू ईट इन जस्ट 4 or 5 days earlier and it will be fine. As such कोई रूल नहीं है कि एवरी सेमेस्टर में आपको एक ही मेस मिलेगा. यू कैन कीप चेंजिंग एज पर योर प्रेफरेंस. दिस इज़ द ग्राउंड एंड राइट ऑपोजिट टू द ग्राउंड एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे पेंटिंग्स बनी हुई हैं. म्यूरल्स, these are wall murals and very beautiful paintings which is done by the students of the arts club. Next building that you can see after the Kadam mess and Yuktar mess is the Parijat Niwas. Parijat Niwas mein the first year girls stay, first year girls as well as some second year girls stay. This is a very big hostel as you can see, है ना, Parijat Niwas, and there is also more wall paintings over here. So this is the ground and ground के opposite as we saw there was the Parijat Niwas, there was a dining hall, and there were these beautiful paintings. On the other side of the ground there is Nilgiri. So Nilgiri is the block जहाँ पे most of the electronics things happen. तो इस building में you will be coming often if you are an electronic student or when you are doing your humanities electives. तो ये वो वाली building है. This is a very big building and it has multiple entrances, but this is the one that you see when you search it on Google. This is the other side of the Nilgiri ACAD block, and as you can see this is literally the building that you see when you search for IIIT Hyderabad on Google. So that is Nilgiri. Right opposite to Nilgiri you have the basketball court जहाँ पे अभी बच्चे हैं नहीं because it is not 5:30 p.m. But at 5:30 p.m. there are a lot of kids playing sports here, and there's one big basketball court as you can see. Right next to the basketball court there is this open gym. Open gym में you can go, you can use these equipments एक एक करके. I'll show you कौन से हैं. Right next to the basketball court यहाँ पे एक walking path भी है as you can see over there. काफ़ी सारे benches हैं for you to sit and relax after classes or during classes. And yeah, this is how the open gym pretty much looks like. There is this building right next to the open gym, so उसके बारे में अभी हम लोग वहाँ जाके बात करते हैं. Right next to the open gym we have this hostel which is called the Bakul Niwas. So Bakul Niwas में mostly 3rd and 4th year boys students live. It's a very big hostel and it's fully white. So 3rd and 4th year के जो boys होते हैं they stay here. There's a slope over here and this is the entrance to the Bakul Niwas. यहाँ पे security gate है, water filter है, and there's a vending machine as well. And there's a vending machine as well. If you keep going straight, then this is almost the end of the campus. यहाँ पे you can park your cycles or your scooter. Right next to Bakul Niwas, this is one of the last buildings of the campus. उस तरफ amphitheater है, but वहाँ जाने से पहले let's talk about what's in this building. So इस वाली building में at the back there is a telescope room, है ना, and the astronomy club runs that room and controls that room. So there's an observatory basically यहाँ पे, है ना. A lot of students told me that it's a really good room if you are interested in astronomy. And yeah, in general it's a very fun thing, है ना, to see and observe the space from your observatory. Okay, बाकी right opposite this observatory we also have this big building जहाँ पे there are pool tables and TT tables. तो बच्चे यहाँ पे खेलते हैं and this is like a leisure time for them. Sports, indoor sports है basically यहाँ पे सारे. So that's that. Yeah, as I mentioned, this is the Physical Education Center of IIIT Hyderabad, and as you can see inside, there are pool tables and TT tables inside. So बच्चे अभी खेल रहे हैं. Moving on, as I mentioned, right next to the observatory building, there is an amphitheater. So this is the entrance, one of the entrances actually to the amphitheater, and yeah, here we are. This is the one side. This is like the entire auditorium in just 2 seconds. and this is the entire auditorium in one frame. There are a lot of dogs sleeping on the auditorium stage, so I'm assuming that आज कोई event नहीं है particularly. But right next to the badminton court, so the badminton court is right over there. Right next to it is the auditorium, and let's keep walking and let's go in this direction, जहाँ पे there are some food stalls. So right next to the basketball court and the amphitheater, you have the basketball canteen as you saw over there. काफ़ी सारे खाने के options हैं, Oreo shake, fruit shakes and a Maggie, a lot of things are available there. I personally had the double Oreo shake and it was really good. So you can definitely try that out once you come to campus. यहाँ पे भी काफ़ी सारी सुंदर paintings हैं that have been painted by the students of the art club. So I'm really happy to see that there are so many creative students over here, है ना. Generally this college is only famous for its research and academics, but it's good to know that outside that also students भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर रहे हैं. So मेरे पीछे as you can see वहाँ पे there is a basketball canteen, this is the basketball court, this building over here is Bakul Niwas and this is Nilgiri. So the right side of the campus is successfully been covered. Let's see कि कदम्बा के उस side क्या क्या है and एक एक करके देखते हैं. So this is the side जहाँ से हम लोग पहले आए थे, ground, academic block, and then we went there to see the basketball court wala area. Now let's go on the other side of dining hall and Kadam mess to see कि इस side of the campus में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं. So I would like to show you some of the places in campus जहाँ पे मैं physically जा नहीं पाया था when I was making this video because either I was not allowed there या फिर वो जगह बंद थी. सबसे पहले तो these are some of the lecture halls. यहाँ पे आपके lectures, classes जो भी बोल दो that happens over here. Labs are separate and our labs have separate areas, but these are the places जहाँ पे आपकी theory related classes होती हैं और even sometimes आपके exams होते हैं. Secondly, this is the institute gym. As you can see, you will find all types of equipment, may it be cardio, may it be legs, may it be biceps. आपको हर एक muscle group के लिए equipment मिल जाएगा. After that, these are the photos of the messes on campus, and यहाँ पे आप आ सकते हो for your meal. You can also change your mess just a few days in advance. आपको हर एक semester के लिए book करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And lastly, this is the Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. यहाँ पे there are a lot of startups that are incubated and a lot of innovation, a lot of work happens over here. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारे areas में students are not allowed, इसलिए even I couldn't go. But these are some of the photos as you can see. Right next to the Kadam Niwas is the Felicity ground. So Felicity is the cultural fest of IIIT Hyderabad, and वो इस ground पे होता है. And this is also the other ground where people play. They play cricket, they play football. अब जैसे as you can see वो पतंग उड़ाने जा रहे हैं, है ना, because it's near संक्रांति time. So वहाँ पे भी there are badminton, volleyball, small different courts जहाँ पे you can play. And it's like वहाँ पे भी there are obviously the other side also there are some grounds and यहाँ पे भी there are some grounds. So students can play wherever they want to. अब जैसे ground खाली है, there's also a pitch there because it's not the time. But शाम को there are a lot of people doing things here. Right opposite the Felicity ground, there is another banyan tree over here, and यहाँ पे this is the night snacking place, night canteen जो भी बोल दो. This is open till 3-4 a.m. and there is one more hostel over there. I think it's called Sahara Niwas. So that's that building. So if you keep walking in this direction, इस तरफ there is only one thing that is left. That is the old boys hostel or OBH. If you're interested to know कि hostel rooms कैसे होते हैं boys के, freshers के at IIT Hyderabad, then you can watch that video. अभी के लिए तो let's just see the outside of this hostel. So this is the hostel building, है ना. We'll slowly start to see it एक एक करके. On the other side, this is the badminton court and the tennis court भी है वहाँ पे. These are the courts that we saw from the other side of the Felicity ground over there. Slowly, now you are able to see the hostel. I will give you a panoramic view. So this is the left side of the hostel and that is the right side. Just outside the hostel there is this big banyan tree which is called Navjeevan, as you can see over there. And even this was transplanted from the main road opposite IIT Hyderabad. चलो let me also show you how the old boys hostel का entrance looks like. एक करके. There's a ground, first, second and third floor. In total 4 floors हैं. And this hostel or the old boys hostel is the place where freshers as well as second year students and fifth year students stay. So very big hostel, very popular hostel. It has 3 blocks inside it. So that behind me was the boys hostel. And let's end this IIT Hyderabad campus tour video यहाँ पे because this is the last part of the campus. काफ़ी ग्रीनरी है कैंपस में, काफ़ी सुंदर कैंपस है, very short and sweet है ना, very convenient to walk around. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are aspiring to do well in UGEE, you can check out Photo Club and our free community, our UGEE products. They are made by students who actually live in these hostels, live on this campus, and they've done really well in UGEE, so you can check that out. But that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this campus tour video. साथ में पढ़ेंगे.